What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we kind of wanted to do a little bit of an update, kind of explain what's been going on. So I know it may seem like we've been a little bit quiet this past month, but we've been working on a lot. So we have been getting a lot of things ready for all of you. We are actually right now outside of our brand new shop. So we've got big things to come with that. Cannot wait to show you all how we're gonna get this place set up, and can't wait to show you all of the projects that we're going to be doing in the shop.
We appreciate your patience so much. It's been such a crazy time that we've actually been trying to catch back up. So everyone that's been waiting on merch, we're actually trying to kickstart that. We do have a new partner that's gonna help streamline getting all of the actual clothing to y'all, as well as the digital photos are now automated. So that does make our life a lot easier, and we can get stuff to you a lot faster.
A lot faster. And so specifically, I know a lot of you have been asking, where's the Jeep, where's the black Charger? Because it's been probably about a month since you've seen both of those. So we just last week posted another black Charger update video. Make sure you go check that out right here. And the Jeep will actually be coming up next. So for those of you who've been wondering about those cars, we still have them. The giveaways are still going on. They're gonna be huge. We are just waiting to get set up into our new shop. And so, you know, it's really just been a three-man show recently. Me, my dad, Tyler here. We have had to move out of our old place, move into our new living place, while also getting the shop set up without power. And then, you know, we do all the work ourselves. You'll see in our upcoming shop video. But we couldn't be more excited to show all of you what we've been working on, and could not be more grateful for all your support, all your patience. It's crazy. We're almost at 50,000 subs. So huge shout out to all of you.
And speaking of merch, that's really what I've been working on. So we're actually happy to show you this video is about a side project I've been personally working on. So we're gonna actually kick back to the OG garage for one final time.
Last time you'll see it. It's so sad.
We're gonna go ahead and jump over and show you what I've been working on, and then we'll come back and finish up. Thank you, future me. All right, so today we're actually going to be unboxing the Creality Falcon A1 laser cutter and engraver. I'm so excited to work with these. I've been looking at it for so long. I've been trying to unbox it until we got it on video. Had to get to the beautiful garage for one last time. So today we're going to get this out, just unbox it, look at it, show you what we get with our package today, and then we're actually going to jump back into the future and we'll show you more of what we did with it. But let's get it out and let's see what we have.
Let's do it.
Looks like.
It's a wallet.
Wow. That's actually gave us a product idea I hadn't even thought of yet.
So these are literally the wallets that we've been selling on our website, just totally blank like this. Wow. So that's so cool. This is one of the many products that we will be selling with our logo on it now. So stay tuned for our Atlantic Beach Customs minimalist wallets. I absolutely love these.
So cool they included that. That's very smart of them.
This looks like we got 2 wallets.
Yeah, it should be 2 wallets. Let's see what the other one is just to make sure. But it is going to show off the capabilities of this thing to be able to actually engrave metal. Oh, is this our color?
It is our color. Wow.
I think they've been watching the videos.
Awesome. Right. So give us some little wallets. Got some wood to try out. Let's see what else we've got.
All right, what does that say? 3D printing industry evangelist. Interesting to see where this is going to go.
Create reality, achieve dreams.
There you go. This is the Creality Falcon A1. Laser, cutter, and engraver.
Man, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what our future selves will have made with this.
Yeah, as soon as we get done with this, we're going to jump back into the future garage. I will have already had some stuff done. We do have some plans for this, and we will hopefully be doing a lot of it in the future, because this is a really cool tool that has a lot of features.
And it is cool jumping back in time a little bit, seeing this garage one last time, because when you're watching this video, we will be totally moved out of this place. And yeah, this is really, I guess, the last time you'll ever see this garage. So made some good memories in this thing. We're currently working on our Charger flip-up build.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. We're gonna go real quick one more time over what we did get. We'll go over what the plugs are, and then also I will show you the vent fan in the back. From the front, you can see that the fan is right here. There is a vent that goes out the back that pulls all the fumes. This is a closed system. Mostly, it's not completely airtight, but these are good seals, good rubber seals, that pulls all of that stuff out. So I will personally be getting the purifier that comes with it, because I will be running this inside, but otherwise you can just vent it outside depending on where you're at. So with the side panel here, we have your obvious power button right here. Pretty easy. And then all of these do come with an emergency stop start. These can start fires. They do shoot a laser into wood.
Yeah.
So there is an emergency stop start button on this one. One thing everyone should know is that it does come turned off. That is a big thing. If you do think that it's not going to work and you plug it in and everything's not working, this was turned off.
Okay.
So
that's good to know.
Yeah, you just turn that and it turns itself back on. So over here, you've got your main power switch. This is your USB-C. This is what goes to your computer, where you run the software that runs everything from the system, automated after you have the images in there. Right here is actually an air tube. The air tube runs out to your air pump that came with it. And it's just got a nice little rubber hose that goes right here, that feeds air that is pushed through this, that'll push it down through the laser for extra cooling and assist. Down here, this is your power, just your standard power brick. You've got a regular plug here, and then what goes with the wall. This is the power for the air pump. And then each of these does come with a key. You can lock this down so it can't be used.
Cool.
Just very useful, especially if you have kids around and stuff like that. Very smart to do. The one thing that we have here, we don't actually have that, but we may get it in the future depending on how well we do with these. This is actually a rotary tool. So you can actually hook up koozies, you can hook up your tumblers and all stuff like that, and actually do a full 360 engravement on stuff like that. So, or engraving is the right word. You can do a full 360 engraving on these, those types of materials. This is the little exhaust tube that is built in, and then this little tubing right here is just a stretchy corrugated hose. It does hook straight onto here with an O-ring that is provided, and then it does stretch out fairly far, depending on how you want to run it outside or to your purifier. And then obviously this is a standardized size. You can get these if you do need a longer one. For the shop, we're probably going to be running it inside as well. So purifier all day long, which is sold separately, but definitely worth every penny. All right, we're going to take one more look just at everything that came in the box, just to go over everything we had. We have the accessories that they did send. We have both of these very cool minimalist wallets that we cannot wait to engrave. Your test wood here. These actually came inside. This is your calibration key. This scans for each material, comes with this. It's a QR code that tells you what setting to use. You've got your instruction manual, your standard power cord, your air pump, your bag of accessories that include all of the plugs you need, the O-ring for the vent tube, and some extra tools just for adjustment. You've got your corrugated tube for your exhaust, and then the Creality Falcon A1, as well as the extra hex grid for extra better airflow. So again, thank you so much to Creality for trusting us and working with us. We're very excited to do this. Back to the Future shop. Can't wait to see it.
Before we finish up back over at the shop, I wanted to show you all a couple of the projects I worked on and talk about some of the useful features this thing has. With the many materials this laser can engrave, including these leather and metal wallets that I'm showing y'all now, the auto recognition technology is extremely useful for switching between them. Once we get the right material selected, we can get a batch going by lining up a group of blanks using the integrated smart camera, and then one click and we're off to the races. At 600 millimeters per second, the dual motors will help quickly and smoothly engrave the products up to 3 times quicker than its direct competitors.
Okay, so we are back at the shop now. As you can just see, that is a few things that laser engraver is capable of. So I wanted to show you a few of our new limited edition merch drops we've got coming. So these are our minimalistic wallets. They were a super, super hot seller with our last giveaway run. Before, you know, they were just the plain ones, super thin RFID blocking, you know, super lightweight, but also very durable. Absolutely love these things. And now, as you can see, we've got our logo on them. So could not be more excited to really get the ABC stamp on these wallets. Once we get the merch back up and running, you will see these available for sale in a variety of different colors, but the quality is insane. You know, you can just see how crisp all of the lines are.
And in the wallet, we actually have our business cards we've been working on. I've been experimenting, playing with new colors of actually creating our new Atlantic Beach Customs business cards. And drop down in the comments which color you think is the best. Personally,
blue.
Red's my color, as you can see by our logos. We know what our favorite colors are. But we do have these actually potentially going up for sale, or we've got some ideas with them.
Throwing them in orders, doing some fun stuff.
Yeah, they're really cool though, nice metal cards. We really having fun playing with this stuff. But what we're really excited to announce is the side project I've been working on is a limited batch of license plates. We're gonna make some front license plates with a custom design I've been working on, playing around with. These are gonna be in a super limited quantity. We're going to drop those at a later date once merch gets going again, once we get moved in. This is gonna be the first item out that we're gonna launch, and details on that are gonna follow.
Super, super limited quantity. So this is basically going to be like a little collector's item. You know, I know we're at about 50,000 subs, so some pretty good growth, but this is basically gonna be like our official OG stamp. So limited quantity, and also, you know, handmade by Tyler, each one of these.
Yeah, they're not all exactly the same. Some of them might look a little bit different. We have played with some of the ideas with it. So number 1 of 1 has gone to Brandon. So Brandon does have 1 of 1. Number 2, I'm probably gonna keep on my truck. And then from there, we're gonna figure out exactly how many we're gonna release. So with this being a super limited release, like I said, Brandon's got number 1 of 1. I'm gonna have number 2. We're gonna number each plate. So once we get these out, these are gonna be a one time that's ever gonna be like this with the actual number on this plate here.
Yeah, these things are so sweet. And so you'll see these a lot around the shop. You know, we're gonna be putting these over our license plates while we're doing a lot of filming. So super, super cool. We honestly could not be more excited for a lot of our new merch we've got coming. You know, we've got these limited license plates. We've got our engraved wallets, some custom business cards. And then, you know, we also have a bunch of other things like clothes that will be brand new as well. So make sure you're staying tuned for that. As always, any purchase you make will enter you into a giveaway. So, you know, you're not only helping support the channel, you are getting entered to win one of these custom cars.
Yeah, and what we just finished, I did want to give a quick shout out to a couple of people on this one. What you did see in the engraving video, that first colorful wallet was a handmade leather wallet by our friend Christian with Cutthroat Leather Goods. He does sell handmade leather wallets, and that was my own personal wallet that I engraved. It was actually the first thing I engraved.
Crazy good quality. So go check him out on Instagram. You know, all of his stuff is made to order. So if you want him to design something for you, just send him a DM.
We also want to shout out Goon. We do have a good friend, Goon, that did reach out to us and wanted to produce some music for us for a couple of our videos. So all of the music in this video was actually produced by him. I will link his Spotify as well as Christian's Instagram down below. So give them some love as well. So today's video, like I said, was brought to you by Creality. I really appreciate them for trusting us to make a video with them. This has really opened up some options for this channel, so definitely a really fun time and a lot of ideas we've had. So big shout out to them. Use the link down below, check them out. They're great machines. I've had an absolute blast.
Highly, highly recommend. You know, these are gonna be awesome for us. You guys are gonna now be able to get personalized merch. So we can do some super limited runs, you know, engrave your name, engrave your channel, do all sorts of fun stuff like that. So it really just opened up the possibilities for customized merch, you know, metal, plastic, leather, all of that stuff.
Yeah, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. Reach out to me in the emails if you have something super special. But I mean, leave it in the comments. We definitely thrive off of that stuff, and that's where a lot of this stuff comes from. I didn't even think about it to do this wallet until they sent me one. So keep in mind, like a lot of that stuff, you might think of it, I might not.
All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. Once again, we could not be making all this content here without you. Tyler and I are so excited to show you everything that we've got coming to the channel. You know, crazy cars, some cool merch, and a lot of other things that has been going on behind the scenes. So thank you for watching. Make sure to go check out the laser engraver. Stay tuned for our next few video drops, and we'll see y'all soon. Let's go get working on the shop.